Welcome to another mathematics presentation. In this presentation, we are going to answer exam questions based on the flowcharts and the pseudo codes. This is our lesson 4. So here is our question 1. This question came in mathematics paper 1 for 2018. Question 20B, internal. It was carrying 2 marks. The question reads, in the answer space below is an incomplete program in pseudo codes to calculate the circumference of a circle of latitude x degrees. Given the radius r of the earth, complete the program by filling in the blank spaces with appropriate statements. So this is the incomplete pseudo code that we have. So we have begin. On enter, there's nothing, we need to put something there. Then we have C, which is circumference is equal to dash, there's nothing there also. Then output circumference, then end of the program. So in order for us to complete this pseudo code, we need to take note of what we are looking for. So in this case, we are calculating the circumference of a circle. So we need to come up with the formula that we can use for calculating the circumference of the circle. That is the most important thing. So the formula that we use is circumference is equal to 2 times pi times the radius of the circle times cos x degrees. So how are we going to complete our program now? Let's look at the answer. So we're going to write begin. Then from there we need to enter something here. Okay, so what are we going to enter? What we enter we get from the formula. So in the formula we have the radius of the earth and we have the x degrees. So we are going to enter radius and the x degrees. So this is what we are going to enter. Then from there we need to show the process or the formula on C. So this C, we are just going to write this formula with putting the asterisk, which is the multiplication. So 2 times pi times radius times cos x degrees. This is what we are going to write as the process there. So we are going to write C equal to then 2 times pi times r times cos x degrees. Then from there we are going to write the output C, which is just there. Okay, we display the circumference. So output circumference, then stop. So this is the end of the answer. So we have answered our question 1. So let us now move on to our second question. So this is the question that came in mathematics paper 1 for 2019. Question 18B for internal candidates, and it was also carrying 2 marks. The question reads, in the answer space below is an incomplete program written